Hello and welcome to the PowerBank Expert YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the SunnyBag 10,000 mAh power bank, and I want to start off by saying that I have received this power bank from SunnyBag, which is a company that is specialized in creating portable solar panels that are light and compact. And so this power bank was created especially with the aim of it being charged using solar power. However, it can also be charged in a conventional way as well by plugging it into a wall charger. So let's start first by analyzing the box a little bit. On the front we can see this inspirational picture of a person standing on a mountaintop. We can see the SunnyBag logo, the name of the device, which is a 10,000 mAh power bank, and their motto here, which is walk with the sun. And we can also see a QR code here on the upper right corner, and this QR code, if scanned, will lead to a page with some video tutorials. I'll link it in the description of this video so that you can see what the company has to say as well about this product. On the side of the box we can see a range of different products that this power bank is compatible with, starting with tablets, smartphones, cameras, and digital gaming consoles. And we can also see that it comes with a charging cable. Now on the back there's some more information about charging, about safety features, about the efficiency of the batteries inside. And again, you can see here that it can be charged using one of their solar charging panels or with a classic wall socket. Yeah, and basically that's it in terms of the information that we can see on the box. But let's see what we have inside. So first off, we have the user manual with some more details about the power bank. And here is the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. And here we have the power bank. So let's have a closer look at the power bank. And this is the top view. As you can see, it has a very big SunnyBag logo here at the top, and yet here we can see the 4 LED charging lights. That's it basically for the top of the power bank. On the side we can see that it has a hole that you can use to tie the power bank off your backpack or something else that's convenient for you. You can use maybe a carabiner to attach it to your backpack. Here we have a power button. If we press it, let's see what happens. The power LEDs all light up, so it means that it's fully charged. On this side we don't have anything, and here we have the charging ports. So we can see it's one USB Type-C and one USB Type-A port, but the USB Type-C port, it's only an input port, it's not also an output port. The only output port of this power bank is the USB Type-A port. It would have been much nicer if the USB Type-C port would be an input and output port as well, but this is also enough for like charging your phone or some other device that you might need while you're out camping. So at the first sight, this looks like a very compact power bank. Like it's one of the smallest 10,000 mAh power banks that I've seen. So you can see here capacity is listed 10,000 mAh. It's extremely light and very small. You can fit it in the palm of your hand, but you can put it as well in a pocket. You can carry it without any difficulty. You can put it in your trousers pocket. Not to mention, if you put it in your backpack or something like that, you won't even feel that it's there. So for this capacity, I think that this power bank is very light and portable and compact. So yeah, it seems like a very good deal, especially if you're going camping and hiking, where any type of weight that you can save off your backpack is something that is very important. So light devices come in very handy. Yeah, the only drawback that I see is that the USB Type-C port is not an output port, it's just input. But other than that, this one seems like a really solid choice for any nature lovers, but it could very easily be used in a city environment as well. Why not? I mean, if you're commuting or going to school or whatnot. This seems like a very reasonable choice for a power bank that can top your phone maybe 2 to 3 times depending on the capacity of your phone. And as a reminder, this power bank was created specifically with SunnyBag solar panels in mind. So this is a power bank that can easily be charged from direct sunlight if you have one of their solar panels, which is another very big bonus for this power bank. So there you go. This was the SunnyBag 10,000 mAh power bank. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope to see you again in one of my future videos. Goodbye.